prayers be my shelter. May your support always be my guide. Whenever the storms of life arise, your embrace becomes my refuge and light. Whenever darkness falls upon my eyes, your prayers light up my path so bright. When I cried, you smiled and soothed me. You gave me your peace so selflessly. You bore my pain without a sigh, sacrificing your sleep just for my life. Mother, may your prayers be my shelter. May your support always be my guide. The smile on my lips, the joy in my heart, it is the light of your patience, the love you impart. The dreams that shine within my eyes were nurtured beneath your prayer skies. On cold nights, you held me tight. Wrapped in your warmth, everything felt right. I can never repay your boundless grace. Your name forever my heart will embrace. Mother, may your prayers be my shelter. May your support always be my guide. For those whose mothers are no more. Mother, after you this world feels so empty. Every joy seems faded, every moment feels lonely. No shade of your love, no warmth of your prayers, no tender words, no comforting care. No more those hands that touch with grace, no more those eyes that kissed my face. Mother, without you this world is a lonely place. Every moment, every breath is lost in your embrace. Whenever life's storms pull me astray, I sit in your memories and find my way. At your grave, I whisper my prayers, seeking the love that still lingers there. Mother, your love is a debt on my soul. In my heart, your name forever will glow. Time moves on, but my pain still grows. The season of loss forever bestows. Yet the lessons you taught still shine so bright. Your prayers remain my guiding light.